In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put titles in the row headers on Microsoft Excel. Adding titles to your row headers is an important step when creating organized and easy-to-read spreadsheets. Row header titles help explain what each column represents, making your data clearer and more professional, especially when working with large tables or sharing your file with others. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the first row at the top of your sheet. This row is typically used for titles or labels that describe the data underneath each column. Click on the cell in the first row where you want your first title to appear. Once the cell is active, type the title that best describes the data in that column. This could be a name, category, date, amount, or any label that matches the information below. Continue moving across the same row and entering titles for each column. Make sure each title clearly reflects the content in that column, so anyone entering the titles, you can improve their readability and keeps the layout clean. After entering the titles, you can improve their appearance by adjusting the formatting. With the title cells still selected, go to the Home tab. From here, you can change the font style or size to make the row headers stand out from the rest of the data. Many users prefer slightly larger text or a bold font for header titles, so they are easy to distinguish. You can also align the titles to improve the layout. Centering the text or adjusting the vertical alignment can make the headers look more balanced. If needed, you can adjust the column widths to ensure that all titles are fully visible and not cut off. Once your row headers are in place, start adding your data beneath each title. Having clear titles at the top helps prevent mistakes, especially when entering or reviewing information. It also makes sorting, filtering, and analyzing data much easier later on. Before finishing, scroll through your worksheet to confirm that the titles remain visible and readable. Clean and well-labeled row headers give your Excel sheet a structured look and make it far more user-friendly. By following this simple process, you can confidently place titles in the row headers of your Excel worksheet and create spreadsheets that are organized, professional, and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.